What's up? What's good, guys? Yo. I use this and this for myself. Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, and remember, this is ep3, and yeah, this is another week in a life of a trader. My last video, you can actually saw that I got scammed by propfirm. I don't know if I'm going to call it scam yet, because they give us time. They say 30 to 40 days that they are going to rebrand their propfirm and give us back our account, and now we are still waiting for that. But if you can see, their Discord are already shut down. No one can message. Only announcement chat is open in the Discord, and all. Bro, there is no way that I was not scammed, bro. There is no way. I think the propfirm has already rug pulled us, because they were giving massive discounts. When I say massive, I mean 70% discount, 60% discounts the week before the close of the account. So now I think they just did all those discounts to sell out and have people buy the accounts so that they can shut down and have our money. That's literally what they did to us. But now, as you can see that I'm vlogging, I'll find a way to like get an account. So yeah, shout out to my guy John Trades. He's my bro. I'm going to tag him or put a photo for him here, and I'm going to tell you guys how he helped me out. I think he lives in Canada. So yeah, he actually helped me, and I got an account. I got a 5k account from Fundy Peeps. So make sure to check out his videos, like, subscribe to him, and subscribe to me also. You get? So let's get the video started. Yeah, I look horrible, bro. So yeah, let me give you guys a story time about how I met this guy. His name is John, and we met back like a few years back, probably like 1 year and some months back. We met on IG. So back then he was not a full-time trader or a content creator. Even now I don't think he's a full-time trader. I think he has a job. So we kind of like connected, and I had his Discord, he had mine. But as the time goes by, I think he unfollowed me, but he was cleaning his friends list. I mean, everyone does that. So he unfollowed me on Discord. So, but normally I actually watch his YouTube videos. So one day, I think in this month or last month, I decided to like tell him about unfollowing me on the Discord channel and shit like that. So I did, and he actually messaged, replied to my comment and asked me to like follow him back, that he will follow me, that maybe it was probably a mistake. So I did. But guess what? He literally offered me a job. But if you know me, if you watch my video, you know that I've been looking for like job. Trade. One thing about trading, when you are a trader, you need something to feed, like to feed the trading game, like to like something, another source of income that we sponsor this trading and everything. So he like offered me a job and told me to like be his editor, and bro, without hesitation I took the job ASAP. And yeah, we've been doing it now for like 2 weeks. and my first pay, that was, he got me an account, a 5k Fundy Pips account, and that's the account I'm going to be trading in this video, and that's my only account for now. I had 3 accounts with Breakthrough Capital, and now I think I just got scammed by that propfirm. So that's what actually what happened. The account was more than my salary, but anyways, he got the account for me. He said I should trade with Fundy Pips. I should stop trading on those small firms because they are cheap. He's a good guy. He's such a good guy. Sub up to his channel. After doing all this, I think I'm going to backtest a bit before it is time for trading. I usually trade at 9:30 EST. So let me try to backtest and get my confidence up before the session opens. So guys, this was supposed to be my trade for today, that is Monday, and first off, I missed my entry here. This was supposed to be my entry, but I missed the entry, and as you can see, price went up, almost hitting the all-time high, and as you can see, price hits 1-to-1 risk to reward, of which if I was in the trade, I was going to close 50% at that place, but I was not in the trade, and as you can see, price dropped back down, and today is actually a bank holiday, and yeah, I was not really looking to force a trade, but yeah, this trade would have been a break-even trade for me if I had taken it, and as you can see, price just dropped all the way back to the to the entry point. I think the price is going to, what the fuck, my PC just fucking tripped off. You bro, almost see suffer while they suffer. See. How? Look, I'm so fucking tired of this PC of it now. I think I'm just going to be trading from my phone. Like, what the hell? Huh? I beg you, no go spoil, I no get money to repair. It's kind of life with this one safe. And it is actually on. Let me sleep. What the fuck? Yo, what's up boys? This is Tuesday and it's currently 10 a.m. EST, and I'm in on some buys. This is S&P 500, so I'm actually buying. I'll be moving my stops to break even once price takes out this high right here. I'll be break even, then I'll be closing 50% or more at a 1-to-1. That's around this point. Let's watch. I missed my first trade though, which is supposed to be this one. Yeah, this is supposed to be my first trade, but I missed my entry because everything just happened very fast. So let's hope for the second one to hit, and that's literally it. I'm risking 2% on this trade, so if I close, I'm going to close 50% of the trade at this point here, then leave the remaining one to run, or I might even close up to 80% here. Let's just watch, but for sure I'm going break even once price takes out this high here. So yeah guys, I'm currently at break even. As you can see, as price took out this high, I moved my stops to break even, and this is my first take profits. Let's watch. I don't want this trade to stop me out on break even, but I actually have nothing to do if it does. So let's just watch. So chat, I decided to close the trade. I closed everything right around this point here, for around the 1 to 1 I mean. So yeah, decided to close the trade because the session is almost over and I can't hold the trade any longer. After all, price have already taken out the external, points, like the look at my drawn liquidity. My drawn liquidity was this fair value gap. Price has already taken it out. So if I held it, it was going to be more of a greedy behavior than a disciplined behavior. And as you can see, this bad boy is dead. This shit is giving me a lot of trouble, bro. And for the day we secured a total of $104 on the 5k account. So this is about 2%. We are currently up to 2% on the account. So yeah, let's see. We try again tomorrow. I've been on my just in case shit. I got a whole lot of names and dates and pictures of faces. Save whenever the right time and places. Trust me, I know this. Bees on the table, bees on the table, bees on the table, bees on the table. Spineless in the corner, just I'm used to this, I'm numb to that. I know I just gotta adapt. Hey, let's wait on your Spotify rap. The messages you about to send on the 16th, please don't hit send on none of that. There's no need to check what the temperature is. Yo, what up guys? So I'm in this trade now. This is Wednesday and it's currently 9:53 and I'm on this long on NASDAQ 100. This is the 1 minute time frame. I think I'll be reducing my risk once price takes out this low. I'll close 50% at a 1-to-1, then leave the rest to run to like the highs or a 1-to-2. So let's just watch how the trade goes. It's looking okay for now. So yeah, we took out the break-even point. Look at the break-even point here. So now I'm currently break-even on this trade. My stop is at the entry and I'm looking to close about 50% here. Then I'm leaving the rest to run to the 1-to-2 or run all the way to the up. So let's keep watching. The worst case that can happen now is price goes down and stop me out for break-even, which is not going to be nice. So let's just watch. I'm not gonna lie, market is very slow today. Let's keep holding, by the way. Let's keep holding. You fucking guessed it right, bro. I got stopped that break even, which is crazy and which is not actually bad, but it is crazy. Like, why can't the market just move? As you can see, we had an SMT down here. You see, price swept out this low on NQ and on ES. Price did not sweep out the low, and as you can see, price pushed way higher, more than NQ here, and at least took out this liquidity, created a double high, meaning there is a possible chance that price will go up. But for now, NASDAQ is looking more bearish. But as price has swept this low, maybe price might just shoot up, which is not the kind of price action we want to be trading. But yeah, that's going to be it for today. Probably going to come back tomorrow. So yeah guys, that was a healthy trading session. That's crazy. I got stopped at break even. There's nothing I can do about that shit. So now I'm just heading out. Let me go and chill with my bro. So that's going to be it. I'm not trading. I'm not gonna take any fucking trade today again. I got stopped at break even. Let's see. So yep, I'm heading out. Feed check. Guy, let me touch some grass, bro. It's not every day that I'm going to be inside. Let me try to, like, chill with you guys a little bit. Chill, boss. Yo, what's up, guys? This is Thursday, and yeah, I'm on buys. This is on ES S&P 500, and I'm currently on buys. This is 9:53, almost 10 o'clock. But what's going on? I'm probably moving my stops to break even once price takes out this high here. If price takes out this high, and I'm targeting a 1 to 2 on this trade. As usual, my risk management. I'm closing 50% at a 1 to 1. That's here. Yeah, close to the high. So let's watch. I just hope I don't get stopped out, because that would suck very bad. I'm holding though. Woo! Yo, this shit looks so fucking clean. And price, that's a fucking clean shade. But guess what? Yeah, so we got stopped at break even. I feel like crashing out, bro. Bro, nigga, look, took a fucking A+ setup, right? Guess what? Everything was moving okay, but price decided to stop me out at break even. Just like literally to the T. Like, price just tapped my break even and reversed. That's crazy, because I'm so who send me? Oh, this thing go make person mad. Let me go and keep this fucking PC.
Yo guys, I'm giving this shit one more try. I entered for another longs here, and I'm moving break even once price takes this high. That's actually my next game plan. Same risk management. I'm taking off 50% at a 1 to 1. If price reach a 1 to 1, I'm taking off 50%. Then I'm leaving the rest to run all the way to 1 to 2. See, my PC just died again. What the fuck? Why does this shit keep dying, bro? Can someone help me? I think I should reset it. Fucking delete everything in this fucking PC. Yo, what's up, guys? So, as you can see, my PC is about to die. But yeah, I actually closed everything here. I closed everything here, bro. I couldn't, hold more, because as you can see, it's already 11, and my PC is almost dead. So look at this is what we are looking at now. At the account, and as you can see, that's the profit we made. I initially closed half of the trade, because I wanted to hold the remaining one, but I just decided to close everything out, since my PC is dead and it's already 11, and I think price is going to be going slower during this time. But yeah, overall we are currently up 4% on the account. Let's go, baby. I'm so glad I caught this trade. The first trade fucked me up so bad, but that shit fucked me up. Yo, this is actually Friday, right? But I don't think I'm going to be trading today, so I'm just strolling for the meantime.
Key of what? I know you give us in house key now. All of now the yes, sir. I just got home. I went to go and get food. So yes. Yo guys, so I just got I'm back now for today. Today is actually the last day of the week, and as I said, I wasn't looking to take any trade, but I did took a trade though. But the trade actually turned out to be a break even. So we are currently only up 2% on the account, and that's actually it for the week. This bad boy, I've not been able to charge this since like since yesterday, since when it turned off yesterday, and it's not charging currently. So yeah guys, I think I'll be rounding up the video here. Today is Friday. Maybe I'm just going to give a quick talk again, and it's over. But all I'm going to plead to you guys is that please like the video, subscribe to the channel. Please, I need like 10 likes. Please, I need at least 10 likes on this video. I beg you, like and subscribe to the channel. Join my Discord server, link is in bio. And also follow my IG. I created a new IG. I'm not yet posting on the IG, but yeah, follow my IG, subscribe to the YouTube, join my Discord.